Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used 2021 model Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition, complemented in a Glacier white paintwork with your contrasting metallic mythos black roof for that modernised edge, housing your petrol engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city upgrade, with top features including your LED headlights, stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, and of course the protection of your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors for those awkward manoeuvres. The boot offers enough space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials, whilst the part leather trim offers luxury and comfort, with access in the front to your multifunctional S steering wheel and of course your central touch display for seamless navigation, and even the modernised edge of your S embossed badging. Moving on to the steering wheel, you do have an array of audio options, including controls for your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data. You do have similar access on your central touch display, including your range of radio stations and a Bluetooth connection. Of course, you do have your on-screen vehicle information, including access to your Audi Drive Select for a more tailored driving experience and driving assistance for added safety, followed below by your manual air conditioning, central power outlets and cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.